Hi, it's Matt here. So I'm in a 2020 Hyundai Ioniq electric, and I've just upgraded the software in the head unit. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about the voice activation, because this possibly isn't clear. So on these, if you just press the voice activation button, you're going to get the Hyundai voice recognition system. But if you want to use the Android Auto, i.e. the Google Assistant, or probably exactly the same if you want to use Siri if you've got an Apple phone, what you've got to do, we'll ignore that because he was listening to me, what you've got to do is push and hold. So I've got our phone plugged in here with a cable and it's running Android Auto in the background. Well, let's just show you, let's just flick across to Android Auto. So we've got Android Auto running there. Let's just bring up the maps. The way this works now with the new software is nice, that you have split screen with the maps and your media at the same time. And if you select your media, it switches over and you still have your navigation there. That's really nice. But anyway, if you want to use the Google Assistant rather than the Hyundai voice recognition, which is pretty poor, you push and hold. And that then brings up your Google Assistant. Let's cancel that because he's listening again. Anyway, that's the difference. Quick push for the Hyundai, push and hold a long push to get either Google or assume Siri. I don't have an Apple phone, so I can't test that. But that gets your smartphone assistant up. Anyway, hope you found that video useful. If you have, as always, please do click that thumbs up button, and I'll see you on the next video.